Large UFO. It's just from the Omeka. It's, you can see they're very bright. It's just heading, just coming down. Very, very large. As you can see, that's a very, very bright in the UFO object. It's just coming down. Omeka. Volcano Popocatepetl Volcano Km Omeka. This object in the size, it's a 1 kilometer large. Very, very bright. Very, very bright. You can see how they come down slowly. And just to show you guys the time over Mexico. It's much better just to show you like that. The whole side. And I go back again. Just I roll him down, and you can see, guys, that huge large UFO just lit them up. Another volcano too. It's getting very, very bright. How you can see, it's all lit them up. And that bright, that object. That's how they lit them up. Very, very bright lights. Very, very bright. I make a little bit darker. That's very, very bright. Very, very bright lights. That's a huge. It's just coming down. That's beautiful. I didn't move the camera so you guys can see how slowly they're moving down, coming down. The Popocatepetl Volcano, and the camera is Omeka. And the time is now 4 a.m. Let's show up at the English, Monaco. Now, that's Omeka. You can see the time and the date and what second, how long they came down. It came down that UFO. I zoom out a little bit. That's better, and you guys can see the time too. I'm back to normal, so I zoom back in. Very, very large. Just I change the shutter speed. Just I want to have a look how they looks like inside. But that UFO is huge. It's huge. You can see that the shape and the bright lights around them. I'm wondering where they're going, and I have a chance to see the mountain or not. That light is that bright, intense bright. You can see another camera. They lit them up a whole section. Have a look. How bright is it in the mountain? And no any. That's in the early morning, 21 past 4 a.m. And that's Omeka. That's a huge, very, very big. Yes, they went behind the mountain. Behind the mountain, that quick. That quick. And you can see now, they lit them up a whole mountain. They lit them up a whole mountain. Have a look, guys. That's intense. That's a very, very bad, very big. Just went behind the mountain. Now you can see the mountain, Popocatepetl Volcano, and you can see the mountain here. And just they went behind the mountain. Just to have a look another the camera, maybe I can see something. This one intense, very, very big. And you can see they lit up behind the mountain. And before, you can't see the mountain. Nothing, it was so bright. Only that youngest Monarco is lit up. That's a very, very big light there. And you can see now, they went behind the mountain, and that's not interesting now, but you still can see the big light. Went behind the mountain and landed in there somewhere there. That's a very, very big sighting there.